Hey guys, cup of fun back from the cupboard. And the bird's kiss is sick. So I thought maybe I'd make her something that I used to always make her to kind of cheer her up. And the idea came from an anime show called Food Wars. Or some name in Japanese I don't know. Or Food Wars. It's a nice apple risotto. Kind of took the idea, expanded upon it, and making this beautiful fruit risotto. It's nice. So I was going to make this for Ashlynn because she's sick. So she'd feel better, because it's rice and fruit, and it's good when you're sick. And then she just kind of got better by herself. So, she's here.
Hi!
So ready to make some risotto, Ashlynn?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, the first part to making risotto is your flavorful liquid. Really, any rice is just kind of liquid in rice, and then whatever you put inside of it is your own thing. So to make it more of a sweet, fruity, delicious risotto as opposed to a savory, delicious risotto, we're using coconut milk. Boom! Coconut milk. Get in there. Yes. Look at that beautiful pour. So much.
It's so silky.
Now it does tend to separate in the can, the fats and the not so fats. So give it a good shake before you pour it, and it'll look like that. Now if I can get Ashlynn to stop sniffing it, we're going to add 1 stick of cinnamon.
It smells so good though.
And 1 Star Anise pod. Now if you don't have whole anise and whole cinnamon, use ground cinnamon, use ground anise. No one cares, or don't use it. If you don't like those things, just leave them out. We're also going to add a ½ teaspoon of cardamom. Ashlynn, tell me all about cardamom.
Oh man, cardamom, well, actually is a really expensive spice. It used to be the second most expensive spice, and now vanilla is. But it's really expensive, and you might not be able to get it. It has kind of like a nice citrusy taste. But if you don't have it, then don't worry about it.
And also, Ashlynn just kind of loves this stuff.
I do. It's my favorite.
Shout out to Babish. We're going to tiny whisk this together. Not for any reason besides it's the first whisk I grabbed. And we're going to put this on the stove to simmer and let the flavors kind of infuse into the coconut milk. It'll be a good time.
Tasty.
Part 2. The risotto. We're going to need some fat. So we use butter here because butter is delicious. That's the reason. If you don't want to use butter, use coconut oil. We're using coconut milk. You can use vegetable oil, shortening.
Just use any fat of your choice.
Yeah, we use some butter. We're gonna do something called pearling our rice. Here's our arborio rice, the rice you make risotto with, in the pan. And we're gonna take this and heat this up for a few minutes, mix it in the oil so it heats evenly, and just start cooking the rice a little bit. Just gonna open up the grains and let it take in the moisture better. There we go. We have our nice pearled arborio rice. Ashlynn, how do you know when your rice is pearled?
Well, it looks like there's a little pearl in the middle. It's clear on the outside, but it still kind of has a solid little bit on the inside. And that's how you know your rice is pearled. Like I said, it looks like a little tiny pearl inside of the arborio rice.
This means it's ready to start taking in the liquid, which is the plan.
It's a thirsty boy.
Move the spoon now. So now we just kind of keep adding liquid until it's done. Until it's done, that's it. So on the side on a separate burner, nice and warm and toasty, we're going to have our mixture of coconut milk and spices. We're just going to pour that in there. We're going to do it on the stove, but our stove is horrible, so we're going to do it here under the camera and move it back. We're just going to keep adding enough liquid to cover the rice. We're just going to let it cook until the rice absorbs that liquid. And then add more. We'll keep doing that until it takes it all in. Just like that. Alright, now you just kind of stand here, you stir this beautiful risotto, and add more liquid as you need to.
So stirring it helps it get kind of creamier because the starches inside of it are more active when you stir it more.
Good stuff. So we've tried in the past using other liquids besides coconut milk. They did not go well.
Yeah, we tried using like store-bought like, juices and such, but basically they would just reduce down to like corn syrup.
It'd be very sticky, very sweet. Tried cranberry juice once, it dyed the whole thing pink. That was interesting.
I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing, it's like a fruit soda. But yeah, I mean, we've been kind of experimenting with it. We never actually had a recipe for this risotto, we just kind of did it, and so we've just been slowly changing it as time goes on.
Just kind of go to the farmer's market, see what we can find. That's the risotto.
We didn't get coconut from the We didn't get coconut milk from the farmer's market.
We did not, but later ingredients will be farmer's market ready.
That's true.
Now you want to make sure at no point your risotto actually boils. If it gets to the point of boiling, that means liquid is evaporating out as opposed to being sucked up by the rice. Then you're just wasting liquid.
And your rice will be crunchy. No one wants crunchy rice.
So we're just going to stand here for a bit, chit chat, enjoy each other's company as we stir the rice until it's ready. See you then. After a good amount of time of stirring and adding more liquid, we got this beautiful bubbly pile of goodness. Nice, thick, creamy, not too much liquid, and if you eat a little bit of it, which is the only way to test it, if you put a piece of this delicious food in your mouth, it will not be undercooked rice. It should be just done and not any more. After sitting for a bit, this is going to start to fall apart a little bit. It's the kind of thing you want to eat right away.
And the coconut milk wasn't quite enough, right? What did we do?
I added a little bit of water in the coconut milk water pot. That way it still got some of the cardamom, cinnamon, and its goodness. Kind of bulk it up to get to the point. Used 1 can to half a cup of Arborio rice. So either in the future use more milk or less rice, or just add water. So now we're going to finish this up. It's nearly done. We're going to add a nice pinch of salt.
Brings out the sweetness.
Salt's great. We have some great farmer's market berries. We got some raspberries.
Got some blueberries.
And I have a hand.
Oh, there's still some.
Hitchhikers.
Got it.
Now I'm going to try to stir these in as gently as possible so I don't break them up. Because I don't want to, 1, dye the risotto weird colors. Because I like this pretty white color. I'm failing.
You're breaking it.
And 2, I want there to be pieces of fruit instead of just fruit being lost in the risotto. We need a little bit more fruit in here. There's our beautiful sweet fruit risotto. I came to the realization while cooking, it might just be rice pudding. But whatever it is, it sure is tasty. So let's put it in a bowl and then put it in our mouths. So look at that beautiful plate of happy. Now just a quick drizzle of honey. A very fast, expedient drizzle of honey.
You know what? As quick as honey.
You need to buy more honey. Also from the farmer's market. And there we have it. Our beautiful, sweet fruit risotto that is in no way rice pudding. But might actually be rice pudding.
Well, it doesn't matter, because it's delicious, right?
And it's about to be gone. Our faces are back. We have our kitty spoons. This is upside down. And it's time to enjoy some beautiful, sweet risotto. This bowl is hot. I'm gonna try to get a blueberry in mine.
Oh, I got a raspberry in mine.
I got a raspberry by accident also.
Ding.
That's good stuff. It's pretty tasty.
I could use maybe a little bit more sugar, but I also have a little bit of a sweet tooth.
We also we used unsweetened coconut milk. If you want some sweet in there, use some sweetened coconut
That probably
milk.
would work better than adding sugar.
But overall, it's nice, it's tasty, it's not too unhealthy, and I like it. It's light, creamy, it's good stuff. Easy to make vegan, contains no other of the big 8 allergens. Good stuff.
Oh, we also added vanilla to it, correct?
Whoa, yes. We did add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to it because vanilla's tasty.
Yeah. No.
But that's it. That's the recipe. That's the video. What do you think? I want you to let us know. What fruits did you add to yours? Or what liquid did you use that wasn't coconut milk? How did you make this special on your own?
I had a thought that maybe fresh pressed juice would work better because it does not have corn syrup in or extra sugars, so maybe that might work better.
And when it reduced down into syrup.
Sure. Down below are my email and Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message.
There's also a comment section.
There's also a comment section. But like, if you don't want it to be on display, you can go through those avenues.
Call it covert cooking.
Covert cooking.
No one will know.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
It's really been a pleasure. We'll see you in the next recipe.
You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.